Hey, this is Jeremy from Nuxt 3 Tutorials. In Nuxt 3, a composable is a function that you can write once and you can use it in different places in your application. For example, here's an example of a composable. It's called useAuthn, which stands for use authentication. And what that does, this is the composable here, right? So, and this is the whole thing right here. And all it is export default function useAuthn. So the composable itself is a function, but I have a function inside this. I have this composable function calls this function, right? So it's called async function is logged in, and what it does is just checks if that user is logged in, and this is all it is here, right? It's gonna send a response to the back end like this. It's a get request, and then it just returns the Boolean value. If response status is success, then it returns true. If it's not success, it returns false, and that's all it is. So how do you use this then? We can use it here. When you go to the dashboard, we can say this, right? Because await is logged in, and this is all it is. We have an await here because this returns a promise. So you have this here, and then I have this local variable here is logged in ref false. It starts off as false, and then we have the dot value here because it's a reactive variable, and so whatever will be in here will be here. So what we're saying here is that, hey, if the user is logged in, if the user is not logged in, then navigate to the login page. Otherwise, get the user, and that's all. That's how you use composables in Nuxt 3. Pretty simple, right? Hi, this is an app that I created to teach you how to use authentication. I have a gift for you just for stopping by, and it is this Nuxt 3 Tailwind starter kit. If you want to learn how to use Nuxt 3 with Tailwind, I have a free starter kit for you. Just click the link below this video, and all it does, it comes with pages, layout, use head composable, components, and some TypeScript, and it comes with a plugin as well. See this plugin here, it just tells you what today's date is, and you can use the two ways of using the plugin. All right, so that's about it. Just click the link below, and this free Nuxt 3 Tailwind starter kit is yours. Otherwise, hey, I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one.